Ilang sandali pa, pinatawag ni Kuya sina Fumiya at Yamyam sa confession room.
Kamusta kayo?
Okay lang po, Kuya.
PSB?
Yun.
Anong ibig sabihin ng PSB?
Pogi Spiritual Brothers!
Pogi?
Yan!
I'm glad that you're feeling pogi today because I hope you will become a pogi human vase.
Oh, what? Human base. Yun.
Maya-maya pa, pinapunta ni Kuya sina Fumiya at Yamyam sa storage room upang maumpisahan na ang kanilang transformation bilang human vase.
Sino kayo?
We are Pogi Spiritual Brothers Human Base.
Ang haba? Tulong.
Tulong, yeah. A Brothers Base. Base Brothers. We are Base Brothers.
Kaya lang parang may kulang. Para mas magmukha kayong pogi, kailangan ay maging kakulay ninyo ang suot ninyong vase.
Bakit parang nakulangan naman ng hulma yung human vase na yan? Paki-explain nga, Fumiya.
You feel wasabi? Huh?
Yeah,
Wasabi.
like a wasabi.
So, if you are like wasabi,
Yes.
what is yum-yum?
Good person thief. He is good person thief.
No thief. You substitute.
No.
Thief is bad.
No, but Pogi. You are Pogi.
Pogi.
So, Pogi thief.
Okay.
Yeah.
Payag ka na.
Payag na ako, kuya. Dahil may pogi po, kuya.